Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Chase Bank. You can log into your Chase Bank account through the website. So firstly, what you need to do is open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's the address bar. You need to type down chase.com and enter it. And once you enter that, you'll find to this homepage. So here beside it, there's this icon for this username and password in order to sign in. So simply you need to type down. So simply type down a username and simply type down a password as well. And after that, you can click onto the sign in. And if prompted, complete any identity verification such as one-time security code. And that is it for your security. Always access Chase through its official website or app and avoid entering your banking credentials through links from emails or text messages unless you have verified their legitimate. And that is it. This is how you can log into your Chase Bank. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.